Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You stretch, check your phone, and step outside. Everything seems normal. The birds are singing, cars are moving, and people are going about their day. Then, without warning, Earth stops spinning. It sounds impossible, but here's the strange part. Right now, at this very moment, you are already moving at incredible speed. If you were standing on the equator, you would be traveling at more than 1,600 kilometers per hour, faster than many airplanes. Yet you don't feel a thing. That's because everything around you, including the air, buildings, and the oceans, is moving together with the Earth. Now imagine the planet suddenly slamming on the brakes. The ground stops instantly, but you don't. Neither do the cars, buildings, oceans, or the atmosphere. Everything continues moving at its original speed. In a fraction of a second, the world is thrown into chaos as objects race across the surface of the planet at tremendous speeds. But the danger doesn't end there. The oceans would continue moving, creating enormous walls of water that would surge across continents. Coastal cities could be swallowed by massive floods unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed. Entire shorelines would be reshaped as the seas rushed across the land. Then comes the atmosphere. Even after the Earth stops, the air would continue moving. Powerful winds would sweep around the globe, stronger than the most destructive hurricanes in history. Forests would be flattened, buildings damaged, and the sky itself would become a force of destruction. Eventually, the violence would begin to fade. Earth would no longer spin. One side of the planet would face the sun for months at a time, baking under relentless heat. Rivers could dry up, landscapes would crack, and temperatures would soar. On the opposite side, darkness would last for months. Temperatures would plunge, and vast regions could become frozen wastelands. But perhaps the most fascinating part of this story is that none of us ever noticed Earth's rotation. Every second of every day, we are standing on a giant rock spinning through space at incredible speed. We are orbiting the sun, traveling through the galaxy, and moving through the universe faster than we can truly imagine. Yet it all feels perfectly still. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember this. You are already on a journey through space, riding a spinning world that never stops moving. The only reason it feels calm is because you have never known anything else.